No, it did start raining. It is pretty wet out there for some of us at the moment. But earlier on today, there was some sunshine at first thing, blue skies, but then the cloud increased and we finished the day on a fairly grey note. And if we take a look at the radar picture, that rain has been setting in, just moving up from the southeast. But it is going to gradually clear during the next couple of hours. And there are a few showers just following on behind. But for many, the rest of the night, once we've lost that rain, will generally be dry with some clear spells. So temperatures dropping down to around about 7 or 8 degrees. For many of us tomorrow, it should be a dry day with some bright spells around some patchy cloud. There are some showers around, but they're fairly isolated, well scattered, but we can't rule out the odd downpour here and there. The wind's continuing to come up from the southwest, so it is relatively mild with temperatures into double figures for most of us, around about 10 to 12 degrees. So we'll start off the evening on a dry note with some clear spells, and even as we head in towards the early hours of Wednesday morning, it should still be dry with those clear spells, but temperatures holding up at around 7 or 8 degrees. So some early brightness first thing on Wednesday morning, but there are weather fronts out to the west of us, so some changes through the day. At first, the cloud starts to increase. It will turn more overcast through the morning. By the time those weather fronts reach us in the southeast, they are fairly weak, so the afternoon rain is looking patchy and light, and temperatures maybe a degree or so down. We're looking at 10 or 11 on Wednesday afternoon. Thursday at the moment is not looking too bad, generally dry, but at the moment, weather fronts and low pressure are set to move in on Friday, so things turning a little more wet and windy, and this rain could be a little bit heavier later on in the day. So for tomorrow, most places dry. We've got the low risk of perhaps a shower or two, and then as we look to Wednesday, that rain setting on later on the day. Thursday should be dry, but generally looking a little unsettled, but at least temperatures not too chilly, relatively mild.
There's quite a lot of sunshine in there, isn't there, Nina?